Hello, hi, welcome to this video. This is Arvind Mota. So here we'll speak about the Nifty and Bank Nifty trade setup for the week starting 9th of November 2020. Okay, so looking at the Nifty daily chart, as you can see, there was a very good breakout which happened last week about 12,030 levels, and there was a good 250 point rally, right? And the immediate resistance zone for Nifty was 12,250, and Nifty has closed above that, right? So in fact, whatever long positions we were carrying, we closed around 12,250, and we have taken new positions for overnight. And there is a good chance it will go and test higher levels. And Nifty all-time high is around 12,430 zones. That is somewhere here. So we are still around 170 points away from all-time highs, and seeing the momentum is very strong, and I think there is a very good chance we will test all-time highs probably in a day or two, and we can see how it goes from there, right? As you can see, SGX Nifty, the way it's closed on Friday, it's around 12,368, just around 50 points away from Nifty all-time high, right? So there is a very good chance we will open gap up, and that gap up, if it opens somewhere here, say 12,369, the way SGX Nifty has closed, and we could see some sustains of rally, and there is a good chance we will test 12,430 zones, and this will act as a very strong resistance zone. So which means we can again expect some profit booking at this levels, and which means we could come off the highs and take support again back to 12,250 zones. So as long as Nifty is staying above 12,200, I think the near-term trend is definitely bullish. In case if you open a gap up and start coming off, that will still be a buying opportunity, because at some point we can expect Nifty to test all-time highs. So even if there is a minor dip, intraday dips, we can use it for buying opportunities. So we can carry your long positions, and around 12,430, and even if it goes above that, not say 450 to 500, that is a place where we can look to book profits, right? There is no question of going short here because the momentum is very strong, and even global markets are rallying. So there is no question of going short. Maybe you can short intraday 50 to 100 points if you get a dip like that. But those dips should again be buying opportunities. That is the way I see it. So that's the way Nifty is positioned. If you look at Nifty internals, the way it's rallied above, it sustained the gap up, and again it's going above. So there is we got a couple of minor declines, intraday declines, and those got bought into very quickly. So the momentum is definitely very, very strong on the long side though. So just keep buying the dips and stay put, right? If you look at Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty again gave a good breakout, and there is a good chance it will go and open about 27,000. That is the next supply zone. That should get taken out through a gap up on Monday. And the next logical supply zones coming at 27,800 and 28,650. These two levels may get tested at some point. Obviously, there could be minor declines, which could still be buying opportunities. You can see Bank Nifty is taking a walk along the line, the outer range of Bollinger Band. I think this should continue for some time, and unless it goes up to 28,000. That's the next supply zone. It's coming somewhere here, 27,800 thereabouts. So we can see some kind of profit booking. Nifty also might be around 12,450 to 500 if Bank Nifty is somewhere here. So those could be zones where you can take some profits off and see if the rally is sustaining, or if you get some dips, that could again be buying opportunities. The question now is, obviously, there's no doubt that we have to go long, but the question is where to book profits. So right now we got the levels right. So just keep these levels in mind and keep tracking the charts. Once you see these levels, take some profits off, and if you see the rally sustaining again, you can again keep buying. At minor dips. A lot of people actually miss this rally. Look at the daily chart, because people are trying to find a top. Obviously the once Nifty hits the all-time high, there should be some profit booking. But even this rally, a lot of people were suspecting and they miss the opportunity. The best way to trade a rally like this, like in 500-point move, the best way to trade is either you can take one position and keep trailing your stops, or you can take multiple trades. You know, you buy here, you sell here. Again, you see it's a continued rally. Again, you keep buying and selling in short targets so that you don't miss the rally. At some point, this rally should get over and you might see some decline where you make it stopped out. That's fine. If you know, even if 4 or 5 trades you made profits, one trade you book a small loss, that's totally fine. So that's the way, that is the safer way to approach this kind of a rally. That's what I'm personally following. So it is your choice how you want to trade this. So that's on the index. Now coming to global markets, let's look at the chart of Dow Jones. See, Dow Jones completed the double top pattern. You can see this is the first top and the second top got completed here around 200-day moving average, around 26,200. From there, we are seeing a very strong rally. And I think the rally is still expected to extend up to 28,800 levels. It is still around 500 points away from current levels. So there is a good chance that Dow Jones may continue to rally. It is above 20-day moving average. And the same thing with S&P 500, also completed the double top formation and taken some good support and a strong rally. I think it's moving towards 3,500. 35, 40, 50 zones, and it may even take out the previous high around 35, 80, 3,600 zones. I think S&P is also looking good now that US elections are out of the way. I think markets will get some clear direction in anticipation of stimulus and all that. So I think that should work as a positive for the market. So US markets also look positive. Another factor to consider here is the US dollar index. You can see at the last 1 month chart, this was the lowest point where dollar index is below 92.3, right? And is having a breakdown kind of the previous lows taken out. So there is a chance that it may even go down. The lower it goes, the better for emerging markets like India and Asia. So that will turn out to be a positive for us, right? So that's one more point to keep in mind. Also, next week we can expect a lot of results coming up. You can see here a lot of companies like Tata Steel, ONGC, Oro Pharma, Coal India, M&M, Shree Cement, Hindalco, and all these companies are coming out with the results. So these will obviously have an impact on the market, and there will be a lot of stock-specific action which you can expect for the coming week. So that's how we are positioned. So next week could be a historic week where we test all-time highs, and if at all we started coming off from here, again, as I told you, this will still be buying opportunities because 12,000 will again be a strong psychological support, and any kind of dips should be treated as a buying opportunity, right? So that's the way you're positioned. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or feedback, please post in the comment box, and please like and share the video with your friends if you found this useful. So wish you a happy trading week ahead. Take care. And as a disclaimer, again, whatever views I posted here is as per my personal research. If you want to take any positions, please do your own research or consult your financial advisor so that you're safer. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.